This is the Ethereum one-day reading for June 9th, 2023. It's currently May 17th, 2023, 10:38 p.m. Eastern Time. The shuffle file we're about to play for June 9th was created on May 6th, 2023 at 10:41 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this file right here. So the overall theme and behavior for the day, there is a significant amount of price change here on the 9th, and the full card always indicates like a really important trade opportunity, like standing out amongst other trade opportunities on a 1 month kind of scale here, based on it being in the theme position. It's like a trade opportunity, like on a 1 day chart, but it'll stand out as a really good trade opportunity amongst other trade opportunities, if that makes sense. Behavior around the high side will be near overbought, and there'll be a sell-off from the high, from a crest, down through multiple support levels into a prominent trough for the day that we'll see here. It looks like probably towards the end of the day. We're coming up on another location where we very likely have. This is probably where I think we most likely have the lowest low, like more probable than even here on the what is that, on the 5th, 6th. We talked about it on the 5th, 6th. This is another probable location of a lowest low here, coming into the 9th, 10th somewhere. With that said, there's a prominent low, and then I'm advised to trade around a key resistance level. That's where the opportunity is, at a key resistance level, and there's opportunity to position oneself in both directions with the amount of price change surrounding this key resistance level. Volume, a lot of volume, a lot of volatility. And then the sneak preview for the following day, there's a significant fake out, shakeout that'll stand out on a multi-day scale somewhere around the 10th, and we'll get into that when we get to the 10th. All right, so for the first 2 hours of trading, we see bumping along resistance, which then turns into sideways bullish rotation, or excuse me, bullish price swings between 2 and 4ish. In the midst of those bullish price swings, we see a crest around 5:30ish in the morning, and then we sell off from that pretty notably. We either in the bullish price swing see a low, a prominent trough there, or it's after that peak or crest at 5:30 that we then decline into through multiple support levels into low. Hard to determine. Somewhere around that 4 to 6 o'clock block, though, there's a low in there. Actually, I think the low is probably closer to 6:30. When we do sideways rotation along a key support level between roughly 6 and 8, increasing with bullish momentum as we move forward in time, as we approach the 8 a.m. hour, there's another crest around 8 a.m. that we sell off. It's a brief crest that's a peak that's easily missed, and we sell off through multiple support levels there. Trade opportunity around that high between 8 and 10. And it's a key technical price level that's important. Actually, that high might be between 8 and 12. Wherever that key technical price level is, and you'll know it because it'll stand out on like at least a 1 month kind of scale. That's where the trade opportunity is. And we kind of like briefly poke through resistance. We stay above it briefly around noontime, maybe a little bit after noon, and then we break back down through the same price level shortly thereafter. A failed attempt to break through key resistance between 2 and 4 p.m., followed by a decline through key support. Another significant trade opportunity there as well. It might be the same resistance. It's possible. And then out of another prominent low for the day, between 4 and 6, there's a big move higher. We push the upper end of the range higher. That, however, turns into volatility between roughly 6 and 8. A significant move lower around just a little bit after 6, it looks like, in the midst of some volatility and a sharp drop. A sharp drop that'll take us into another low for the day here between 8 and 10 p.m. And that decline between 8 and 10 offers an opportunity to open up a long position. We establish support somewhere between 10 and 12 with some sideways rotation, and then a big move higher standing out on a 1 day chart, followed by sideways rotation at a higher support. And then again, look out for that fake out the following day. That's Ethereum for the 9th of 2023, of June 2023. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and most importantly, make sure to follow that rule of karma. You do so here at the resources tab. 5% of the profits forward to one of these charities. 5% of the profits back to one of these links for the channel. And make sure you spend that money out of love. The universe is going to send it back to you for following those rules tenfold through this channel, my friends. I'll see you on the next one.